Hair damage is more than just split ends. Extremely damaged hair develops cracks in the outside layer, cuticle. Once the cuticle lifts open, your hair is at risk for further damage and breakage. It may also look dull or frizzy and be difficult to manage. So, can you really go from dry, brittle hair to smooth, shiny locks? The answer is not always cut and dried. For the most part, hair damage is permanent because hair is actually a collection of dead cells, making them beyond repair. The only real cure is time, a pair of shears, and taking steps to prevent new damage. But don't despair. With proper hair care and a few targeted treatments, you can help restore the outer cuticle and begin to improve the look and feel of your hair. How to ease existing damage? Pay attention to moisture. Hair that's lacking natural oils is often rough, dull, and prone to static electricity and tangle. Properly hydrated hair is less likely to get tangled or knotted. If conditioner alone is not enough, consider adding a leave-in conditioner or detangler your routine. So, today we are discussing the natural treatment of leave-in conditioner in hairs. The recipe is, first of all, aloe vera. Aloe vera strengthens and repairs hair strands. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth. Vitamin E. A vitamin E rich oil can help replace that protective layer and bring back shine. Oil in general also helps seal out moisture, reduce breakage, and protect the hairs from damage. People have used olive oil for hair care for thousands of years, claiming it adds shine, body, softness, and resilience. But some research on the effect of olive oil shows that it can have a major moisturizing effect. Olive oil could add softness and strengthen hair by penetrating the hair shafts and preserving moisture. Coconut oil. Coconut oil moisturizes your hair and reducing breakage, protecting your hair from protein loss and damage when wet, protecting your hair from environmental damage like wind, sun, and smoke. Shea butter. Shea butter contains vitamin A and E with essential fatty acids which are believed to add moisture and shine to the hair. Its non-greasy quality makes it an excellent moisturizer for the hair. It softens dry, brittle hair and repairs split damaged ends as well. Cetyl alcohol. In the cosmetic industry, cetyl alcohol has many uses. It is added to lotions and skin creams as thickening agents and is a major component of hair conditioners, where it helps the oil and water in the conditioner mix together. Almond oil. Almonds are of many types and man has used them over many centuries to this benefits. Its oil is extracted from sweet and bitter almonds for a variety of uses, especially as a medication and skincare and hair cares.